Innovation leads development. Technology drives the future. The Industrial Revolution has overturned the traditional manual production method, and automation equipment has emerged with the social production needs. Since its establishment in 2014, Kunshan BIFA Automation Technology Company Limited has always adhered to the business philosophy of integrating research and experimental development, design, manufacturing, sales, and service. Relying on the strong strength of the head office factory, we have continuously expanded our business areas and established the Jiangsu BIFA Intelligent Technology Company Limited. From China to the world, BIFA has served more than 3,000 customers worldwide to date, providing more customers with professional automated conveyor system solutions. After more than 10 years of precipitation, we have accumulated rich experience in conveyors production and pragmatic design concepts. Our conveyors have passed ISO 9001 quality certification and CE certification and have more than 20 patent certificates. We have a team of more than 10 engineers with rich experience in various industries, committed to providing customers with better quality and more comprehensive automated conveyor systems. Our main products include belt conveyors, chain conveyors, roller conveyors, modular conveyors, free-flow conveyors, and more conveyor systems, which are widely used in packaging, food, beverage, medical, photovoltaic, auto parts, new energy, injection molding manufacturing, and other fields. We use high-strength aluminum alloy profiles and accessories made by our own nose to control from the source to ensure that the products have a high safety factor. We also provide tailor-made conveyors that meet the production requirements of customers according to actual needs. In this era full of opportunities and challenges, Kunshan BIFA Automation Technology Company Limited is willing to work with you to create a better future. Let us illuminate the road of industrial automation with the light of wisdom and write a more glorious chapter.